Good afternoon. My name is Jeff with Precision Public Adjusting. I am at Johnny Worthem's house here in Lithonia, Georgia. Today we are on his front-facing slope. We're going to be removing a damaged shingle today and putting in a brand new shingle. Here are a couple close-ups of shingle condition. Most of the tabs are either blown off, torn, or in really bad condition. This roof is definitely past its life expectancy. I think any reasonable person could look at these shingles and tell that. But we're gonna go ahead and repair this shingle right here. It is these 3 tabs. As you can see, tab ends right there, goes up. Shingles are still sealed. And right here, the tab as well. Alrighty guys, I'm gonna set you guys up so you can follow along during this repair. Oh, you can see all the shingles. Alrighty guys. This nail is flush with the decking, over nailed. All right. Let's hope they're not all like that. This one's good. This one's fine. Two right here, guys. All right, should be good to take it out now. Put the new shingle in. Just sliding that shingle under there, you can see the granules from these shingles already on top of this one, sliding down. Still need to nail this one in. Huh, must have hit something. Huh. Okay, we'll try a new nail, guys. I don't know what that's hitting, but it's not going in, it's just bending. Try it over here. Alrighty. 2 shingle is in, guys. Now, I don't know what that is. As you can tell, none of these shingles over here were affected by this repair. The repair's right there. Now, roof's in pretty bad shape, but as you can tell, there aren't any major granules coming off any of these shingles as I, rub my hands across them. Now, you can already see on these shingles where it has started to crease pretty much on every single one of them all the way at top, but there are a lot of loose granules on here that will wash off either with the next rain, wind. So if I were to do the same thing and rub my hand across these, you can see all the loose granules that are popping off these shingles. All the way across. Now, I mean, I'm pretty sure, like I said, a normal person would look at this roof and know that is not repairable. You got a crease going all the way across this shingle, crease going all the way across this shingle. Pretty much the same on every single one of these shingles. I'll go ahead and chalk these up for you guys. Thank you for your consideration.